How to enable enhanced safe browsing in Google. If any day any of you are a Google user and you would like to enable the enhanced safe browsing in your way Google, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Google account on your mobile device or Google on your mobile device. After you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the profile icon of your Google account on the top, and here you can see the option of the safe search. Now you have to tap on the option of the safe search. After you tap on the option of the safe search, now you can see the interface like this. Here you have to go to the option of filter, or you can also go to the option of the blur here, and again tap on more about the safe search, and you can see the interface where you can learn all of these. If you just tap on off, then it will show all the relevant results even if they are explicit, which is not a safe browsing. Therefore, you can either go to the option of filter or the option of the blur. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.